Hello everyone, GoGoGo GC here. Today I want to showcase a very important lesson, which is safety, night safety. Very important. And the reason I want to make sure everybody understand night safety is because I want you to know that your scooter can totally replace a car in the night if you take care of your safety. Just like any other transportation device, if you put enough attention behind the detail, you will be able to get the most out of it. So let me just get in the shot. Hi everyone, my name is GC. Nice to see you here again. This is probably one of the most boring videos you're gonna watch, so I'm trying to make it as entertaining as I can. Otherwise you guys won't watch the whole thing, right? So I got my son here to be a male model. Maybe one day he will be a male model, who knows? And also I found the most amazing backdrop available to make a video like this, so you guys have something interesting to look at. Now, okay, let's just go straight to it. Here, what we have here is a high visibility sports jacket. It's very nice and warm. You guys saw how I bought it, and it fits me. It actually fits him too, as you guys can see. He's a big boy now. He's almost 166, so pretty tall for the age. And you can see here, he has high visibility pants, and he's wearing full armor like me. Inside here, he's wearing exactly the same thing as I do. And mine is exposed. His is here. You can hear here. Does it hurt?
No.
No? Not at all. So if he get attacked in the night by some strangers, he can defend himself. He definitely can defend himself. He also has learned a lot of martial arts skills. He's fully protected. Of course, someone like this has a better chance of survival in the night. Now to me. Look at me. This is my uniform now for riding in the night, because I need aerodynamics. I'm doing a lot of mileage also in the darkness for testing purposes, so I need high visibility. So what I have here is 2 layers of sporty clothing that is over each other. Underneath is actually, I hope the camera can capture it. Let me come here to show the camera a little bit. So I have the TerraTech. I have the TerraTech 100%, and I have the Speedo swim trunk. This is actually more of a multi-usage trunk. And then underneath here I have another Speedo, black and white style, and it matches them very well. Give me 2 layers of skin-like protection, and also keeps me dry because I feel sweaty if I don't have enough air flowing through. And the most important part why I decided to choose this style instead of mountain bike style is because in scooting, your air resistance decides largely about your mileage, means how far can you ride. So today I made a video about range testing, and I demonstrated by riding very low, reducing your wind resistance, you actually improve your mileage dramatically for the exactly same scooter. Simple physics. I don't have to add anything to it. So this outfit is very aerodynamic. As you guys can see, I am highly aerodynamic, and yet I'm very well protected, and I believe personally I'm also highly visible even in the night. This is the reason I'm shooting this video. I let you decide, do I look visible or not? And that is all without lights, right? Now let's talk about lights. And here we go. Let's see. Here is the light by the F65. That is the D28. I want to show you the factory lights first. So the factory light looks like this. I switch it on. That's the factory light. I hope you guys can see well. That's the factory light. Okay. In the back is all look the same, because the front is for you to see the ground. That's the factory light. Now let me switch it off so it doesn't disturb the actual thing. Here is my setup. First of all, I switch it on. You can see user interface same, so it's the same factory light. Then I switch on 2000 lumen torch plus this, and this one is variable in brightness. This is the highest brightness. So tell me, which one would you rather have in front of you? In fact, I can adjust. Look, I hope that boat owner doesn't mind. I can even shine up all the way to the boat. This one I can shine all the way to the front. So I hope the camera can capture this. And in reality, I shine a bit further down, and this also a bit further down. so people can see clearly what's going on. So that's my lighting versus factory lighting. See the difference? And now because of this lighting, I can see everything more clear. Demonstrate. So I'm going to move around a little bit, and I use this camera, which is an action cam, which means it doesn't have a lot of very good sensor. It's only good during the day shoot, but not in the night. So let me do this. This is my light. Okay, this is my light. This is the visibility. You can turn around, or not just stay at that spot, but turn around all you want. Let me show you guys the visibility on this side. So factory light visibility is this. See the shadow difference? This is perfect. This is actually the best way to demonstrate the difference by looking at the shadow. I don't need you to look at anything else other than the shadow. Look at the shadow. That tells you all you need to know about the big difference in visibility. And give me a 12. Turn around 360, yeah, like that. That's front. This is the front. So you guys can see visibility very, very different. And now, thank you. You can walk away now. I will step in. Okay, here's me. Big difference. I'm going to put this camera next to it as well to give you guys an idea. Different cameras see things differently. That is my light setup. That's factory light setup. Can you guys see the difference? I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. And I have 2 layers here. I hope everything is properly covered. So that's the difference. Let me walk away a little bit. So this is my setup, that's factory setup. What do you see? Do you see this side or do you see this side? I hope this is good enough demonstration of visibility. Very, very important to have proper visibility. I forgot the sound is pretty bad if I walk away far. So what I want to say was that visibility is very, very important. Let me give you one more. I capture myself. So this is my light. That is factory light. I'll give you guys an idea how it looks like. I'm sure the difference is huge. I'm pretty sure the difference is huge. All right. I hope this is a very important lesson everybody learns, and that passive safety is not expensive. Here, this is how other people look at you. This is the perspective of other participants. I want you to see that. On the left, you see the factory lighting. On the right, you see my lighting. You can do whatever you want with your lighting. It's your choice. But you understand that only when people can see you, people can react to you. Your safety is in your own hands by how you behave. All right? You can decide to look like a bat, or you can decide to look like a zebra. What do you think is going to be hit first in the night? Yeah, okay, probably the zebra. Okay, so in conclusion, all I want to say is stay safe, people. Pay attention to your safety gear. It's not expensive. It's all very passive, and everything can be solved with the right choices. Thank you very much for watching, and I want to thank my son for assisting me over there. He is waiting in the background patiently. Yeah, so that's it for today. Roll the outro, and I hope you work on your own passive safety.